Welcome. I'm going to show you how to clean your remote or a particular button which is not functioning. Make it work like a new one. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to open this one. So let me disconnect my battery here. I've already disconnected one. Let's keep this aside. And okay, I'm going to open this now. Okay, I'm going to touch that. Okay, this is the connectivity thing. So yeah, you have, so instead of cleaning the volume one, I'm going to clean the entire this thing. So here I have a perfume. I'm using fog here because this is this this has ethyl alcohol here, so I need a perfume that has ethyl alcohol or any alcohol. Okay, I'm going to spray this up here. Okay, my sprayer is missing, so I've already done, but I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, spray this up. Okay, I've used this. Now I'm taking a hair bud here. I'm going to clean it up like this. Okay, just gonna clean it up like this. So if you use perfume, so it will evaporate, so it doesn't stay here. So you should not use oil, water, or anything that will retain here. Then the remote will not work completely, it will ruin. So as possible, you have to use any alcohol or perfume. If you don't have alcohol, instantly you can use a perfume at home. Okay, see here how much dirt. Okay, black. See, I've already cleaned this up. See my buds here, so dirty. So this is over. Now I'm going to use this here. So I'm going to again use the perfume here to clean it up. I'm going to spray this like this. Sorry, I'm unable to show you the spray here because the nozzle is missing, but this is how you should be doing. And yeah, clean this up. So you have to clean it like this, each one by one. So I've already done the cleaning, so but still my volume control plus minus channels are not working like the other button, because I've used them very frequently and they are not no, I need to give a hard press to make them work. So I'm going to show you a different method here, how to make it feather touch working. So I've seen on YouTube's that people use different methods. Mine is a household items I'm going to use here. So I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to use plus minus here. So I'm going to use a tablet. You have an aluminum foil. It's good if you have that, but we definitely, if you don't have that at home, it's good that you identify any tablet this thing like this. So you'll be using this too in the remote. I'm going to show you how this works actually. The tablet cover here, the inner part of this, I'm going to use this round one. So inner part, it's a wax coated or it doesn't conduct, and the outer part conducts. I'm going to show you this with an example here, but just to make you understand very clearly. I have a multimeter here. I'm going to use, I've set a beep here. Hope you can see this. Okay. So I've touched both ends. See, I'm going to use this peel off. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to use one side here, another one here. See, it's not conducting, right? It's not conducting. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to close this up. I'm going to use it like this. So you touch anywhere on the upper part, you can hear the beep. So which means the outer part conducts, not the inner part. Okay, So we're going to use this for the remote. So it's done. You need a Fevi bond here. I'm using a Fevi bond here. So a little amount of Fevi bond is required. Fevi stick, I don't prefer Fevi stick. Fevi bond is ideal. So I'm going to use my plus minus. So this is my plus minus volume, and these are the four things I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to just use my scissors to actually peel this and cut it into half. Okay, I have two pieces here. I'm going to see whether that will fit. Okay, that fits. Okay, great. I'm going to use one, two is done. I need another two more. So I'm going to cut this into half. Okay, about four pieces here. So I'm going to use my Fevi bond here. Open this. Okay, so plus. So I'm going to put the glue like this, and then I'm going to use it here. Okay, just allow it to dry for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, okay, done. I'm going to close this up and use one by one here. So I'm going to put it like this on top of it. So now you have to be careful. See which is the top one. So this is the top one. Okay, so if I put it the other way, it doesn't work. So we tested that with the multimeter. So be aware of that. Otherwise, your remote will not work completely. Okay, now I have the other part. You don't need a multimeter. In case you think this multimeter is required, multimeter I have used just to demonstrate which way it conducts. Otherwise you don't need a multimeter. Just give an air blow through your mouth. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Yeah, you can see this. Let's put this back. Okay, I'm gonna put this up like this. Okay, let me put my batteries back. See if it's working. Can you see the red light glowing here? Plus it's become a normal thing, just like how I'm pressing it here. It's become very normal. Can you see this? Plus minus, plus volume, plus volume. So good luck. I want you all to try and give me feedback. Please comment below. Tell me how it was useful. You have any trouble, you have better ideas than this, please do share with me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. There'll be more easy steps videos coming up slow by slow. So do subscribe and do appreciate the good work. Thank you so much. Namaskar.